Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can withdraw money from your Brex account. So, let's get started. If you want to withdraw funds from your Brex cash account, the process is simple and usually done through a bank transfer. First, log into your Brex dashboard from your browser. Once you're inside, go to the Cash or Account section, where your available balance is displayed. Now, click on Transfer or Send Money to start the withdrawal process. Next, choose your external bank account. If you haven't added one yet, click on Add External Account and enter your bank details, like account number and routing number. You may need to verify this account through small test deposits before using it. After selecting your bank account, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then choose the transfer method, which is usually an ACH transfer. This option is typically free and takes around 1 to 3 business days to complete. Now, review all the details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click on Send or Transfer to complete the withdrawal. After that, your request will be processed, and the funds will arrive in your bank account based on the transfer time. And that's it. That's how you can withdraw money from your Brex account step by step. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.